Hi guys, I hate to be negative this morning. My check engine light just came on. So I talked to my husband and he said last month he bought me this little device and it's called FIXD. I read all the instructions, I downloaded the free app, and this is how it works. Right into this little port. Now some ports are under the dashboard. This one is right here and it's going to start working. Goes. It says one problem found. Well, I already did this and I know what the problem is. Guess what? The gas cap was loose. So I had this idea. So this is where we bring all our cars. I'm going to loosen the gas cap so the check engine light will come on and we'll see what they say the problem is. So what's going on here, huh?
Well, I checked it out, and what I found out, it looks like it's a fuel tank pressure sensor. You're gonna be looking at $400 on parts and labor to replace the part.
Okay, well thank you so much, and I'll talk to my husband, we'll get back to you. Red-handed. I caught that guy red-handed. They could have told me anything. They could have said $1,000. I would have believed them. We never did trust those guys.
Have you ever had your check engine light come on in your car? Mine's on right now. So I'm gonna bring my tech guru, Corey Bergeron, out here to give us the solution.
And I have it. It's called FIXD. FIXD is this awesome little device that you plug in underneath the dash of any gas-powered vehicle made after 1996. They all have a little socket for this. And it's gonna sync to a free app on your phone and tell you in plain English why any of those lights are on your dash, especially your check engine light.
To be honest, that sounds too good to be true. I would love to know if it's the fact, though.
Well, I'm going to show it to you. So I'm going to grab FIXD. I'm going to take it out on our back lot. We've pulled the truck up there. We're going to plug it in, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. All right, here we are on the back lot, and I'm in the truck, and I have FIXD. Now, right underneath the dash is that OBD port I was telling you about. Every single car made after 1996 and then is gas powered has that port. Now I'm gonna bring FIXD down. We're gonna plug it right into that socket just like that. And then I'm gonna come up here and start the truck. All right. Now, on my phone, I already have the FIXD app downloaded. We're gonna punch it right there, up it comes, and you see it already says 2015 Chevy Tahoe. It recognizes the truck. Tap to scan. It is just that simple. Right down here, you can see what's going on. It's already communicating with the FIXD, and it's saying, hey, the check engine light is on. Let's figure out why that's happening. Well, here are all the reasons that that check engine light is on right now. The catalyst system has a low efficiency on bank 1. The fuel mixture is imbalanced. It even gives you the consequences of having that problem. Reduced power, engine knocking, or rough idle. If you push the over arrow, it'll break it down even easier into plain English and let you know exactly what's going on. The FIXD gives you every single piece of information you need, so it's like your car is talking to you. And it's doing it in plain English. Makes it super, super simple to take the best care of your car possible and save as much money as you possibly can. Now, I know we have Carrie back in the studio. Carrie, thank you so much for having me today.
Oh, Corey, I'm so glad you came. I learned so much. Listen, this is easy to use. It gives me the diagnosis in plain English. And more important than that, I don't feel like an easy target when I go into the mechanic shop. I'm so glad that you guys were able to join us today on Tech Innovations. We'll see you next time.
Hey y'all, Rodney from Rodney's Auto Shop here. Thanks for tuning in. I just had someone come in with the check engine light on, and they let me know how much it stresses them out. They don't know what the problem is, how big of a problem it is, or how much it'll cost. That's why I am excited to share with y'all something that'll change the game for you, hopefully. This is good for everyone, even those of you that don't know anything about cars. This is FIXD. And over here we have another scanner, costs a lot of money. How this works is you plug it into the car, then the car lets me know what the problem is with the vehicle. This little guy does the exact same thing. Not only that, it sends the information directly to your phone. Now you have your own personal mechanic in your pocket. And here's maybe my favorite part. This is $60. This is over $2,000. That'll save you a lot of dollars. All right, let me show you how it works. You might be wondering, does this work with your car? If your car was made after 1996, it does. So unless you're driving a Model T, you're good. Right here we have a mid-2000s Toyota Hybrid. Gonna go ahead and plug in FIXD and start it up. So after you've turned on the vehicle, you open the app, Go ahead and tap to scan. Look at that, 4 issues found. You can go through, click on an issue. It explains it here, consequences of continued driving. This is a huge one. It lets you know how much it should cost to get fixed. So when you go to the body shop, you know what they know. If you're getting taken advantage of, you'll know it. So there you have it. That is how FIXD works. I mentioned how cost effective this was earlier. This little guy costs less than what I would charge you to scan your car one time, and it gives you a lot of the same information. So I don't understand why more people don't have this in their pocket, in their car, at home. So thanks FIXD, and thank you guys for watching. Check it out.
So I've got this new product that I want to share with you. It's called FIXD. It's this guy right here. It's designed so that you can put it under the dash of your car if it was built after 1996, and it'll communicate with an app on your phone, and if it does what it's supposed to do, it'll tell you what's wrong with your car. And I've had it for a couple of months, but a light came on, the check engine light, yesterday, so we're gonna check it out today. Okay, so there's FIXD right underneath my dash, and it's already communicating with my free app, and it says that we have a bad oil pressure sensor, which is easy enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go visit a couple of different mechanics and see if they'll be honest with us. I think that being a woman, oftentimes people see us as an easy target, and so knowing that it's an oil pressure sensor, Brent is gonna film with his phone and see if that's actually what they tell us.
Basically what we have here is you ran the motor low on oil. It's gonna have to get done today. It's gonna end up being $1,900. I mean, it's definitely not something I would let go any longer. There's no way this motor's gonna last any more without doing this.
Okay, well, I've got to go home about that. I don't have that kind of money today.
All right.
Sorry, man. I appreciate it though.
All right.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thanks. So that's not at all what FIXD told us. So tomorrow we'll go see another mechanic and see what they say. See if it does the same thing that this guy told us. Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
You tell me.
We checked out your truck. It looks like you just need an oil pressure sensor.
Okay.
Can I have it done in probably about 2 hours?
Awesome.
You want?
2 hours.
Yes.
Thank you so
No
much.
problem. I'll call you when it's ready.
It. Thank you. So the first mechanic is actually the guy that I've been using for years. He was nice, so I kept going back to him. Oh my God, $1,900. Second guy totally shot me straight. Less than $100. Done. FIXD is the reason why I knew not to pay the $1,900. See you next time. Bye.
So FIXD is a sensor that plugs into the port underneath your steering wheel, and it stays plugged in, so it continuously monitors and keeps track of past issues on your car. It also decodes check engine lights and sends maintenance alerts to your phone. The sensor will give you an easy to understand description of any issues that you may be having with your car, as well as detailed repair guides and even how-to videos if you would like to try to fix it yourself. So I have just plugged FIXD into the port underneath my steering wheel, and now I am in their app, which is free, by the way. You can also upgrade to their premium version, but it's not something you have to do. It offers a few extra features. Sensor is plugged in. Okay, it's just gonna connect via Bluetooth. Tap to scan. I don't have a check engine light on right now, so I don't expect it's gonna find any issues. The main benefit of having this plugged in continuously is that the app will give you service reminders based off of miles driven, and their predictive algorithm will also help you too. No problems detected. The app is giving me suggestions based off my car's mileage as to what type of service I should be doing. And then it's also giving me a cost estimate, so I know that I'm not gonna get ripped off if I try to go to a mechanic and actually have this work done. The sensor will work without any premium features, but if you decide you wanna upgrade, that is priced very reasonably as well.
Hey guys, so I got this great device called FIXD. It helps me talk to my mechanic in an easy way, and it helps me to get a better understanding of what my car is going through. You see, it's this small little device. When it's out of its package, you plug it into your car, and then you get the results straight through your phone. Great, I know, right? Simple, easy. That's not all. It helps you to understand and trust your mechanic as to what they're saying in a way that you know that you're getting a fair price out of it. You know, guys, you have to get this little box. It is perfect. It is ideal. It is something that every car user must get. When I'm telling you FIXD is something something that is just beautiful when you use. It is absolutely perfect. Please guys, grab yourself one of these smaller boxes. Again, it comes in this small box. It's this tiny little device. You plug it in, you hook it up to the Bluetooth, and you will never ever be sorry that you went and bought this yourself. This is something great. It is something that is unique. You've never seen it before on any other company, any brand. FIXD has what? FIXD is something that you know has it right down packed. It is smart and usable, easy, quick. Get yourself one today. Your mechanic won't even know what hit you, because you know what? You know what's going on with your car, and they can't tell you anything else-wise. Get yourself one of these beautiful little devices called FIXD.